I've been manufacturing rugby training equipment now for over 20 years. In fact, we're the biggest name in rugby no one's ever heard of. I'm Neil Spencer, GNG Group. I head up the sports division. I played first team rugby at quite a reasonable level. The club that I was playing for asked if I could mend some tackle bags because they knew I was in the sewing industry. So I looked at these tackle bags and they were shocked and thought, we'll be able to make these. So we started making tackle bags. With the experience, with the expertise we've got with the rugby industry, we're applying that now to the fitness industry. Who would have thought that gyms would turn into functional training spaces? They used to be just sawdust and cast iron, and now there's a lot of vibrant colours and soft product in there, foam-based product.
GNG are really important to us, specifically because they're always open to push the boundaries and try out new ideas and new concepts. It's good to be able to have a partner that you can work with to take ideas just from original conceptual stage all the way through bringing them to fruition and selling them in clubs all over the world.
The beauty of GNG is we do everything in-house. We've got really technical people who understand foam, who will tell me what density we need, what it needs to do and how it needs to perform. We'll build up layers of foam to get a different feel. So for a plyo box that you're jumping on and off, you can do that out of a solid block of foam, but we don't. It doesn't have the right feel. They've got to be just right, and we perfect it until it is just right.
One thing that you can't really take too many chances with is cutting corners with material, with production. When people are working out with these products on a daily basis, they're putting their trust in you as an equipment supplier and GNG as a manufacturer to make sure that they're not going to cause any injury, they're not going to have any issues. And our customers appreciate that as well, and it's quite plain for people to see when they see our product range.
We make for brands, and a brand is only as good as the product it's sat on. So we've got to make good quality product because it's not just our reputation, it's the reputation of the brands that we manufacture for. Especially this day and age where reviews are so important, people are getting that feedback, so we like good feedback better than bad feedback, and that's what we tend to get. If you're looking for high quality foam-based training equipment, give us a call. I haven't got a script, Ben says there'll be, you won't even know there's a camera there. There'll be a camera somewhere. You're just having a chat with Ben. I can't see Tim for that.